Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to log out Instagram on laptop. We start by opening Instagram in our browser or desktop application. Next, we will enter our profile. After that, click on the options icon and then log out. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, we will confirm the action to close our session. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.